Today on the Roadhouse, today's the day. We're taking the Scout over to Alan at Shaker Racing. Let's get this thing started. Can't wait to get the metalwork done on this sucker. Probably showed you all before. Rocker, rear quarter, inner rear wheel housing. The gap here is too big and it doesn't connect down here. Quarters. Also, I don't know if y'all remember or not, the spring perch is come unwelded from the frame. It's going to need to be re-welded back on. Also, we're going to do a spring over axle swap. Get this thing riding about 4 inches higher. 33s are the plan. If you haven't followed the other videos in this video series, this is my fiance's first car. She drove it to high school. 1978 International Scout Traveler. All right, she's there at Shaker Racing. Can't wait to get this sucker done. I got the Scout dropped off. We're probably going to be looking at Alan doing a lot of the fabrication on the quarters himself. He redid the quarters in my 67 Impala. He did them great. I mean, so this guy has no issues fabricating a part from scratch. I appreciate all the work that he does for me. Thank you for liking, subscribing, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this Scout. And I got a lot more stuff going on. So if you want to take a look at the old videos of the Scout, got them too. And appreciate everybody for liking, subscribing, comment down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. You put her away wet, you have to do a lot of work to it.